I understand the vision of the Shastra clearly, and I find my mind trying to abide in it. Whenever it realizes it is lost in objects, thoughts, I feel the problem is really about objects. How to reinforce mithyatva of the Jagat. The only way is constant satsanga. You need not have satsanga like this. You should have contact with good devotees who will constantly remind you about the reality of God, Bhagavan, or this path. Very often they will remind you, because when you are living in the world, the very nature of the world is that it will weaken your spiritual inclination. Constantly giving you suggestion that the world is real. And there is every chance that a spiritual aspirant, if he turns towards the world, he will feel he will by himself go to the doctor. I have some problem because nobody is like me. That is why you need constant satsanga till this wisdom blossoms within you. So that you will have courage. You will dare to walk alone. At last the person has to walk alone. Eka eva charet tasmat. Kumariya iva kankana. Because spiritually there is a problem. Bhagavata says, Vase bahunam kalaha. If you stay with so many people, there will be kalaha, fight, gossip, scandal. Talking about this person, that person. In the world, it is worldly gossip. In spiritual life, it is spiritual gossip. Dvayor varta bhavedavi. Even with two people, unnecessary arguments might happen or too much talking. You can have all those things a little bit, but eka eva charet. You have to conserve energy. Learn this art of ekarshitva, walking alone. Solitude. So this is the solution for all these things. And satsanga also. For meditation, aloneness. For rejuvenation, satsanga. To nourish your dispassion, discrimination, bhakti, you need satsanga. No other way.